Along the fertile banks of the Blue Nile lives one of Africa's most skilled engineers, the village weaver bird, a species famous for its architecture, its intelligence, and the remarkable precision of its nest building. For male weavers, reproduction is a construction contest. Females choose mates almost entirely by the quality of the nest, its symmetry, its strength, and even its fresh green color, which signals that the male is healthy and actively building. But mastering this craft takes years, and this young novice has barely learned his first knot. So far, the only thing he's managed to tie securely is his own foot to the papyrus stem. Nearby, an experienced male demonstrates what mastery looks like. He selects only the freshest fibers from the Nile's edge, strips them into long, flexible strands, and weaves them in a true over-under pattern, a technique unique among birds. Females inspect every nest with ruthless precision. Any sign of browning means the structure is old, unacceptable. Those males must tear everything apart and build again from scratch. Some attempt shortcuts, weaving fresh green strips over older brown ones, hoping to fool a visiting female. But many females aren't easily deceived. They test structural strength by tugging the entrance tunnel. As his talented neighbor attracts a female, the novice sees an opportunity. A quick theft of fresh material might save him hours of work, but even with the right fibers, his technique still fails. The strands slip loose, the shape collapses, and his structure is barely more than a hanging tangle. Nest building is an evolutionary masterpiece, a skill shaped by millions of years of sexual selection. And for young weavers, mastery doesn't come quickly, but with time, instinct, and practice, even this clumsy apprentice may one day craft a nest worthy of a mate.